Welcome back to the shop, guys. This is a real quick, short video. But first, I just want to say I came across this other machinist YouTube channel, Matty's Workshop. You guys got to check this out. This guy is crazy. I mean, he does excellent work, beautiful, fantastic ideas. So I'll put a link in the description to it for those interested, but I'd say go watch this guy. I'm impressed with him. But I did a video a long time ago on knurling using the formulas, and you can go on the internet and yeah, there's tables, charts, all kinds of stuff saying you have to turn your material to a specific diameter to work with the particular pitch of the knurling tool that you're going to use. And I did show this little trick in another video. It's probably buried or whatever, but a German machinist gave me this, how do we say it? He said, it doesn't matter what the diameter is, do it this way. And ever since I've been doing it, it's come out perfect every time. So again, sorry, short video, but I really wanted to show this little knurling trick. So see you next Friday. I wanted to show this easy, simple knurling. I know the light's probably not that hot. I used to fight with knurling all the time. Hit and miss, and formulas and tables, and you had to have the diameter match the diameter of these or a percentage of, and it's like, it was always hit and miss, ridiculous. Until one of my videos, a German machinist told me this. Whoops, I just want it slightly, you're probably going to see my head, but yeah, that's about 50% on. What he said is, doesn't matter what the diameter is, just crank it down and force it in with the compound. I gotta rotate it some so I can get it closer. Regular motor oil is all I'm using. Crank it down more. That's as tight as I can get it. I gotta back it up a little bit so I can get it tighter. Yep, there's tighter. Drive it in. And I would not do this with anything but a scissor knurl, because this is going to put a lot of force. Oh, that loosened on the compound. Am I digging in? Yep, I'm digging in pretty good. Looking at it. Alright, so, and I'm on low speed. Come on, go. There you go. I'm going to get it tighter. I have to back it up a bit. Well, it's a bit tighter. I can feel it pushing hard, huh? Yeah, just moving it from side to side. Uh-oh, something slipped. Get it back on there. Why are you slipping? Great. What is moving? I gotta keep it somewhat pushed in. I've got play in the compound here somehow. But probably dig it. Oh yeah, I can dig it in more. I have to stop it to see what I got. Paper towel. What does it look like? Yep, it's pretty good, but I gotta go further in. The points aren't quite there. Eesh, too fast. Oh, the whole thing is rotating. Great. Push it in further. Push it in a little harder. I didn't have this play before, so I don't know what's going on this time. What does it look like? That looks pretty good. Magnifying glass. Yep, that's it, right there. So, walk it off, huh? And then you guys can see what it looks like. Perfect knurl. magnifying glass. Yep, all came out points, everything. So that's it. It's simple and easy. You don't care about the diameter. You just have to get it jammed in there and started. Yeah, that looks good. Now I just hit it with some sandpaper here to flatten out those points. It's 600 grit. Yeah, go back to high speed. And that's it. I be done with that knurl. I'll clean it up with some Windex, get the oil off of it. You can see all the junk's coming off. But nice knurl. Where's the other one? Pulling on the mic, everything. But here's the other knurl, and it's the same. So hope everybody learned from that.